You can use just this one system inside of the markets to absolutely kill it. And the reason why is because what it's doing is it's tracking the institutional volume, and institutions are 95% of the volume that happens inside of the markets. Retail traders like us, we're only 5%. So if you actually want to trend follow, if you actually want to understand where reversals happen, where there is going to be support and resistance, you have to understand where the institutions are positioned now and where they were positioned in the past, right? Because the thing is, their positions are still open, right? They're trading every day. So by understanding that, and the easiest way to understand that is to understand volume weighted average price, you're going to understand where the reversals are likely to happen or where the trends are likely to continue if it doesn't reverse, right? Now, with VWAP, it is called volume weighted average price. Essentially what that is telling you, and I have a secret level that no one else has that will absolutely crush it for you with VWAP, and I'm going to show it to you here in just a second. So this isn't just a basic VWAP video. It's not a basic VWAP strategy. It's insider knowledge, and you're going to see it here in just a second. VWAP is where institutions are on average positioned over a given period of time. If it's a daily VWAP, that means that that is their average price weighted by volume for the day. Looks very similar to a moving average, right? But it's not. It's way more powerful than any EMA or SMA that you could ever use. Now, what it's telling you is that on that day or on that week or on that month, right, whatever VWAP it is that you have on your chart, that's where the institution's average price is. If we're above it, that means that the average price at that VWAP means that institutions are net long. If we are below it, then they are net short. Okay, this gives you clear entry and exit criteria. It gives you clear stop loss criteria. It gives you a clear rules-based system. It removes emotion. And it also helps you to minimize your risk and maximize your reward by understanding exactly where you're going to get in, where your trade is invalid, and where you're going to get out. Okay? So let me show you a couple of ways that you can use what is called the Naked VWAP Suite by Alpha Intelligence in order to absolutely crush it in the market, because this is exactly how you're going to want to use it. Okay? Now, there are these things called naked levels. So every time that VWAP resets, you can see VWAP reset right here at the end of this day, boom, blasted down, right? What did that do? It left a naked level showing you that 128,000 contracts traded on that day at this exact average price. Now, when price comes back to that, look what happens. It likes to reject. It likes to slow down. This is where a VWAP reset. And price loves to retarget that VWAP, okay? So not only is this going to give you a entry and exit criteria for the day, but also for the week, for the month, whatever, right? So this is going to be good for scalpers. This is going to be good for day traders. This is going to be good for long-term traders, swing traders, anybody, okay? And so I'm going to show you exactly how you would use it if you're a scalper, okay? So for example, if I'm a scalper, I would probably be using the VWAP bands, or at the very least, I would be entering at the beginning of the session. And what I would do is I would say, okay, here, this was a previous naked VWAP, right? Right there. That's what you would have seen on your chart at this time. So when price reset and then VWAP regained this and then retested it either here or here, you enter long and you place your stop loss under the VWAP, okay? Now watch this. Say you enter here. This is your worst case scenario. You place your stop loss under either this wick, or if you want to be super tight about it, you place it under here. Let's go with the worst case scenario. You target the naked VWAP first and foremost, and then you just let it ride. And then you let the trailing stop loss trail all the way up until it stops you out in profit. You'd probably be out right around there for a 2.8 risk to reward. Now, if you want to get really good with this, what you can do is right here. Whenever you retest that VWAP, guess what you do? You enter, you place your stop right here under this and outside of VWAP, and guess what happens? You only need gold to move $27 in order for you to make a 7.5 risk to reward, and guess what? As soon as you take that level out, just trail your stop up, probably get stopped out somewhere right around here. You've got a 16.5x risk to reward. That's just from regaining VWAP, waiting for the retest, setting your stop loss, and targeting the previous VWAP from the previous day, okay? and it's one of the easiest ways to actually take and catch those trends and get those big, big, big moves. These are magnets for price. So price came all the way up here, but we had a naked VWAP right there. Look at where price came. It came right to that naked VWAP, got a nice little bounce. That's a good scalp trade right there. You just enter at the naked VWAP, you scalp it up, boom, and then it tanks out again, right? No problem. Easy, easy trades. Whenever you're entering right here, you know that your real criteria for exit is going back to that naked level where it reset right here. And you would have gotten a full take profit on that. Now, your worst case scenario, you would have done this. You would have waited until VWAP got retested, and then you would have done this. And you still would have had a 1.6x risk to reward. 1.6x, that's your worst case scenario on this trade. Your best case scenario is right up here, 2.3x risk to reward. It just depends on how you want to actually use this strategy, but, and I want to point you to something, because this, you don't have to believe me on any of this. You can actually go and look at this for yourself by simply coming in here and going and clicking on show hit lines and show hit labels in the settings of Naked VWAP Suite, and then you can go and see the reactions for yourself, right? Look at what's happening. I mean, we're literally watching it happen live right now, but look at what happened whenever they hit this naked VWAP hit. Boom, got a nice push down. Very simple, very easy, very cut and dry. Look at this naked VWAP right here. It got hit, boom, got a nice push up, right? This happens repeatably all the time. Are you gonna get a massive move every single time? No, but are you gonna get a profitable move a lot of times? Yeah, you probably will. So that is exactly what is happening in this live environment right now. We just rejected from the naked daily VWAP, and guess what? As soon as we reclaimed it, all we did was we pushed right back up. We retested VWAP, and then boom, you pushed right back up to the naked daily VWAP. It's that simple. It's literally that simple. Let me show you. You retest the VWAP, you place your stop loss outside of the VWAP, and guess what? You now have an 8x risk to reward trade just targeting the previous naked level. Now, one of the coolest things about this indicator is you can also have multiple VWAPs on your chart at the same time, okay? And I'm gonna actually take these hit levels off. That way it doesn't muck up our charts too terribly much. That's more for backtesting purposes. But in any case, I'm gonna show you what else comes with this indicator. When you're looking at these levels and trying to figure out which ones are gonna hold up the best, the key is to figure out the volume. So on this naked monthly VWAP right here, guess what the volume was? 2.7 million contracts. This naked daily VWAP, there was 128,000 contracts. This naked weekly VWAP, 481,000 contracts. All three of these levels are gonna be really hard to get through. If price comes to it, it's probably gonna get a rejection at first before it moves up again. Rejection, rejection, right? And this gives you clear entry opportunities, clear stop loss opportunities, and then clear exit opportunities by simply trailing your stop into profit or targeting a level that is below you. Say it's another naked VWAP that whenever you come up here, there's a naked VWAP right here, and then price rejects, well, that's gonna be your target. It's very simple, okay? Now, the other thing that you can do is you can look at these Confluence bubbles and see what are the levels that are actually going to hold up because there's more than one congregated at the same place. That's what these Confluence bubbles tell you. Right here, there's a daily and a monthly level, and they have cumulatively 2.9 million in volume on them. So what do I do here? Well, if I'm gonna take a trade based on that, I'm gonna enter at the naked monthly or maybe just before it, and then I'm gonna place my stop loss outside of that naked daily VWAP, and then I'm gonna target the next naked level below or the next market structure level below, or maybe just where the live monthly or live daily VWAP is. And the funny part about this is you can actually see where the live monthly VWAP is. It's at $4,078.90, and it has 1.8 million in volume on it. So if I know that it's at $4,078, then what I would do is I would target $4,078. Look at the risk to reward on that. 3 to 4x risk to reward on that trade. Now, the other thing you can do, you can add multiple VWAPs all at the same time on your chart simply by scrolling down and saying, okay, here's my first VWAP. I have that on my chart. All I have to do is click enable, and I have my daily VWAP on. If I click enable, I can pick and choose to get my weekly, my monthly, my 3-month, 6-month, 1 year VWAPs, whatever you choose. And as you can see, now the weekly VWAP has popped up. And if you want a third one, bang, enable your third VWAP. For me, I do daily, weekly, and monthly. And then you can also do an anchored VWAP at the same time. And you can start it from whatever date and time that you want. So I'm going to add the anchored VWAP to the chart, okay? And the anchored VWAP is all the way up here. And as you can see, for the year, we are well under the anchored VWAP. But as you can see, we have the monthly VWAP resetting here, left a naked monthly level. We have the weekly VWAP resetting here, left a naked weekly level. We have the naked daily level because VWAP reset there. So we know that this is going to be a nice range where if we get through that, we could see the asset moving up at least towards the next naked levels, okay? So by understanding the institutional volume that happens at these levels, and then by understanding how you can watch and wait for VWAP to get reclaimed and then retested, and then target those naked levels, and it happens repeatably. This is a system that is super profitable by itself, let alone if you use it in conjunction with all of the other Alpha Intelligence indicators. It's absolutely insane. So I encourage you to get in there, play around with it, see how it works for you, kind of start taking trades, take paper trades if you want to, and you'll see the power of the Naked VWAP suite very quickly.